What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install your side mirrors on a 2007 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. You know, my English is not always the best, but it's understandable. You can see it's all broken. I'm going to be taking these out and replacing them with the new ones we have, and also the other one on the other side, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Oh no, it's starting to rain. So you can see, brand new, look a lot better than those, and they fold in, so they won't be poking out like those are. And let's get to it, guys. The first thing you want to do is pop this plastic piece off. Use a flathead, or you can pull it off with your hands. I'm just gonna use the flathead, makes it a lot easier. And you just basically pull it out. There we go. Once you pull it out, got this exposed wire, not really exposed, but this wire. Push it in, pull out. That's done for. And then here is I believe is 3 10 mil, and that's pretty much it for that one. Let's try it. Got a 10 mil right here, as you can see. The famous always got lost bolt. As you can see, fits nice and stuck. Can't even speak. Nice and tight in there. I'm just gonna put the extension on to make my life easier. Oh, my 10 mil fell, guys. Didn't go far. So I don't really know how good that looks. Where's my phone? Let me check. Actually looks pretty good, so let's get to it. So just the 3 10 mils. Oh, other way. Already tidy left. We'll see. One. And 2. Oh, don't tell me that. Drop any of the bolts. 2 and 3. And then all you do is just pull it out, and it's out. Garbage. Grab the new one. That could be seen. Bring your glass. Only thing missing is just the cover in the back, but that's alright though. That's an easy order offline. So let's put these on. Well, to make my life easier, I'm gonna get out the car. My hand tying the bolts on, and then it's basically the same process, guys, on the other side. So I'm gonna come back to you when I install everything and catch you right in a second. So you can see, guys, put the door back together, Simple as that. Good as new. I'm gonna show you guys. The mirror works and everything goes up, down, side to side, you name it. All right, so now I'm gonna go to the other side, and when it's done, guys, I'm gonna show you. Of course, like the car has 179,000 miles. The tire is flat, that's why that light is on. And I don't know about the ABS, but that's the reason why the traction control and ABS, traction control and the air light is on, because you know it's turned off. All right, guys, let me get back. So just installed the other side, all of them put on. Looks good. I do have the cover, it just fell off, but it's whatever. So I'm gonna order this whole new piece. So yeah, that's the car. So let's put on, everything good. And guys, if you find this video educational, entertaining, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, turn on post notifications. Stay tuned for more. There'll be a lot more videos like this soon. I'm gonna be putting the Type S mirror on the TL. You know, why not? Screw it. We have nothing better else to do. This COVID-19 got us all locked down. So I'm gonna go pick them up maybe tomorrow, put them on, and have the car looking even better. So stay tuned for that, guys. Love you and stay safe.